in one piece. Look at this, yes, silly. We are eating tambis with your face smacked with tambis. Let's go there. I'm so thirsty. Hello guys, we are now under the tambis tree. We are getting all the tambis you need. Anak, mura siya na all ari. Look at this guys. It looks sweet. It is nasa skin.
Exposing skin?
Oh, not good. This looks weird, guys. His knife have its own skin. Why? Kita di mo niya cheeks.
Ganahan siya sa imo ha.
Ano man dako ilaha ears.
Mga ano siya, Arnobian goat.
Dili ko. Abot. Dili ko.
Sige mo, sugot rin na siya. Alak ka.
Ano man push ko niya?
Si kid.
Masin push pud ka. Push. Oh! First time na nako love baby goat. Daddy, perhaps naman na sila.
Yes, you have another mother.
Bye guys. Hello guys. We are now under the tambis tree. We are getting all the tambis you need. Tambis. Look at this, yes, silly. Tambis for you, tambis for me. Oh,
Sige, sige.
Tambis for you. Guys, this is my favorite. Take me to hold it. Oh, looks like a fruit in one piece.
So one piece. Adi, sige, kao na.
Money?
Ako na. Sige, kupit sa. Dili ko kakupot. Okay.
Hindi na to. Young tambis for the babies. I gave this tambis for the baby goat. Let's go. Let's be goated.
Hoy, naalagi mo dira. Uy, para mo na sa tao, sak. Sige, push. Push ang gate. Go out.
Excuse me. Excuse me, goat. Don't go here. It's so dangerous. There's some scary chicken.
Sige, akong i-close ang gate. Go, go, go.
Bruh.
Hey, mommy goat.
Bruh.
Napagawa sa siya diri, sak. Na, go out, goat.
Okay, there's feet. One. Some.
Hala, nasuko siya sa imo ha.
Ay, nanan sa other near sa Tambis tree. Bye-bye. Good luck.